earnings season will be in full swing come next week, and Ashesha is here to tell us what all earnings should we be watching out for in the domestic market.
Cement major Ultratech Cement will be the first Nifty company that will be reporting its numbers next week. Seasonality is expected to impact Ultratech Cement's numbers. Volumes are expected to decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Realizations and EBITDA per ton is also expected to see a decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis due to lower cement prices during the quarter and higher input cost. A whole host of FMCG companies will also be reporting their numbers next week. Nestle, Tata Consumer Products, HUL and ITC will be reporting the numbers from the FMCG pack. In fact, HUL this time around gross margins are expected to contract due to consumption of higher cost inventory. For ITC, for its India FMCG business, we are expecting a 12% growth on a year-on-year basis led by recovery in business and price increases that were taken by the company. Moving on to the banking and financial services sector, then for Indusind Bank this time around, recovery in normalized return ratios will be the key monitorable as asset quality concerns are abating quickly for the bank. The analysts are expecting provisions to decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis, led by lower slippages and better asset quality trends this quarter. For Axis Bank this time around, net interest margins are expected to improve on a quarter-on-quarter basis due to higher lending yields. Moving on to Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance, which will also be reporting their numbers. For Bajaj Finance, net interest margin contraction is expected this quarter due to seasonality in business and increase in cost of funding. Asian Paints, over there we are expecting market share gains and price increases to aid the top line this quarter. Moving on to the insurance sector, then HDFC Standard Life Insurance and SBI Life Insurance will be reporting their numbers. As far as APE growth is concerned, for HDFC Standard Life, we are expecting a 13% APE growth, and for SBI Life, we are expecting a 2% APE growth. However, on the VNB margins front, for HDFC Life, we are expecting VNB margins to expand this quarter due to higher share of non-par business. But on the flip side, for SBI Life, it is expected to contract as the company has reduced its share in the non-par business from the peak levels that we saw in Q1. And lastly, from the Nifty pack, JSW Steel will also be reporting its numbers. EBITDA is expected to decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis, and this is because steel prices were on the lower side, partially offset by lower iron ore prices and coking coal prices.